So for making bolt holes, I also use subtract, but there's a way. Let me show you that first. Subtract, select the first one, select the thing you're subtracting. Now we have a hole. Once that's subtracted, obviously there's a hole there now, but you can move that hole using SolidEdit face move. So if you type SolidEdit or Solid E, hit enter, go to face or type F to select face, type M to select move, or you can just click on it, hit enter. Now you select which face you want to move. So the face you're moving is actually the one that's created by the negative of the cylinder. So it looks like that. Hit spacebar to say, yes, that's the thing I want to move. And now you can move it wherever you need to. So let's say I want to move it an inch. I can move it an inch. Let's say that there is another thing that I'm attaching to. I'm just going to offset these a little bit so you can see that I can use O-snaps. So let's say that I want the bolt hole here to line up with the bolt hole here. I can do SolidEdit, face move. Oh, I should do that the slow way. SolidEdit, face move. Select it, spacebar to take it, and I can click here, and now they line up. I have created a hotkey for myself because I use this so much, and I also use it for things like changing the length of my 3D solids. It's kind of awesome.